Most of us browse the internet on a daily basis, but the pages we usually visit are in fact only a minor portion of the internet. It is the part called the surface web. The surface web is the visible part of the internet formed by websites that are indexed, which means that they can be found through common search engines. It is estimated that these index pages only form about 4% of the total online content. Around 96% cannot be found with normal search engines. This part is also known as deep web. This doesn't mean though that this content is not accessible at all. Websites that request a registration and login are common examples of deep web pages. Within the deep web, there is some content that is intentionally hidden and completely inaccessible through standard web browsers. This small portion of the deep web is called the darknet. The darknet can only be accessed with technologies that ensure a user's anonymity. These technologies have also led to the creation of drug markets within the darknet, where illicit drugs are being sold and purchased.